Hello friends, welcome back to your daily English speaking practice. Do you want to improve your vocabulary, practice real conversations, and speak English more confidently? If yes, then this video is just for you. Today, we will practice English in 4 simple steps. Listening practice, vocabulary, building question and answer, shadowing practice. So let's start your journey to speak English fluently and naturally. Part 1. Listening practice. First, listen carefully to a short conversation between 2 friends shopping for clothes. Try to understand the meaning. Don't worry if you miss a few words, just focus on the idea.
Wow, this store looks fancy, but the prices are too high.
You're right. Look at this t-shirt. It costs $40.
That's way too much for such a simple t-shirt.
Exactly. Let's go check the shop next door.
This place feels better. The prices are more reasonable.
Yes, and the clothes look stylish too.
What do you think of this blue dress? Does it suit me?
Honestly, it looks perfect. It matches your style.
Thanks. And it's only $25. That's a bargain.
Nice. I'll look for a jacket. I need one for winter.
Great idea. Choose something warm and trendy.
Sure. You know, we really see eye to eye when it comes to shopping.
True. We both like good quality at good prices.
Let's try these on.
Let's go!
Part 2. Vocabulary practice. Phrase 1. Way too much, meaning much more than expected. Example, $5 for water, that's way too much. Phrase 2. That's a bargain, meaning very good price, cheap for the value. Example, this phone was only $100, that's a bargain. Phrase 3. See eye to eye, meaning to agree with someone. Example, we don't always see eye to eye, but today we agree. Phrase 4. Reasonable price, meaning not too expensive, fair cost. Example, the hotel was expensive, but the food was a reasonable price. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Now, let's check your listening skills. I'll ask you some questions. Try to answer out loud before I give the answer. Ready? Question 1. How much was the t-shirt in the first shop? Answer, $40. Question 2. Did Mia like the first store? Answer, no, she thought it was too expensive. Question 3. How much was the blue dress? Answer, $25. Question 4. What does see eye to eye mean in this conversation? Answer, it means Mia and Jack agree about shopping. Question 5. Who needed a jacket? Answer, Jack. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Now it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat the sentences after me and try to copy my pronunciation, tone, and speed. Practice sentences. This store looks fancy, but the prices are too high. That's way too much for a simple t-shirt. The prices are more reasonable here. What do you think of this blue dress? It's only $25. That's a bargain. I need a jacket for winter. We really see eye to eye about shopping. Let's try these on. Well done! You completed today's English speaking practice. Watch this video daily to improve your fluency step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and useful English practice videos. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next class.